This is 2015 Nissan Versa Note, and we're going to clean the transmission filter for this car. And again, this is a very straightforward job. So there's only like a couple of bolts. I think this is number 10, and we're just gonna drain this and put a CVT fluid. So join me today and let's fix some cars. Okay, I'm using, this is number 19. Okay, drain plug. Alright. Okay, let it drain for a few minutes. Okay, let's put back the drain plug. That's number 19. Okay, that's good. Now let's start removing this pan using number 10. So let's start here in the middle. It's from here. Okay, we're almost there. Okay. You could see that. What? This. Oops. Slowly. There you go. The filter too. Double check. They have the same size, yeah. Okay. I think they have the same size of bolt. Only two. There's only 3 bolts. Okay. Alright. So let's clean up. So just spray it with brake cleaner. Let's blow with this air. Blow with air. Alright. All the parts are clean now. It's ready for installation. And also we need to clean this. So the way I clean it, just use a cloth, spray it with brake cleaner, then wipe it. Also guys, don't forget to put the O-ring in here. So most of the time this one will stay in there, in here, or you might drop it on the, you know, transmission pan, or in your, you know, in your pan below. So make sure to put the O-ring before installation. That's it. Don't over tighten it. And now let's install the pan. So there's two magnets in here, this one and this one. Now let's use our hand to tighten it. So before we can put the CVT fluid, we need to remove the battery, because the not drain plug, where you put the transmission, is located below the battery. So let's remove the battery. So there's the dipstick, not really a dipstick, where you fill up the transmission, and you have to like remove a couple of bolts in here, but basically just remove the battery, and then this one, the coolant reservoir. Gonna get a flashlight. So that's the dipstick. So this is the transmission oil CVT fluid that I removed from the car, and it's almost 4 quarts, and I did spill some in there, so I'm going to put 4 quarts of NS3 CVT fluid. This one, CVT NS3 for Nissan. And I'm using this funnel with a hose extension. There you go. Nice. CVT transmission fluid. Okay, first one. Look dark. Okay, one. So I did pour 4 quarts of CVT NS3. I think that's NS3 fluid for this 2015 Nissan Versa Note, and I hope you could see how I pour the fluid. So I use this one. So I'm not gonna show it to you anymore how to reinstall all of this. Just pretty straightforward, a couple of bolts, and then let's start the car after I install everything. So alright, everything is installed. So the battery. So now let's start the car and let's see how it goes. Start the car. Wow. The problem with this 2015 Nissan Versa is that you couldn't check the level of the transmission because of the dipstick is too short. So what I did is I just put back whatever I removed from the transmission, and this car has only like 81, as you can see there, 81,000 kilometers. So let's try to put it on drive, and smooth, nice. Okay, it has a camera, backup camera. Alright, good. So I spilled some of the oil right there. So that's probably around, let's say, 300 to 400 gram of transmission fluid. And I got, as you can see in here, almost 4 quarts. So I put back 4 quarts. So that's it, guys. That's how you change the transmission fluid and filter for 2015 Nissan Versa Note S. So that's S. So if you had any question, any suggestion, guys, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.